Hello! Ever been to a shoe shop to buy that perfect pair of shoes? You walk in, spot the one that looks amazing and think, that is it. Hold on. You can't just guess how they will fit perfectly. Measuring your foot properly is what it takes. Or else you'll walk out with shoes that are too tight or far too loose. No one wants that, right? Just like choosing the right shoe size and getting the shoe measurement right from the length of a pencil to the height of your room requires a little inside knowledge. And today we are going to discover that for ourselves, the correct way to measure length. Think of measuring the height of your friend using a ruler. Would you hold up the measuring scale and awkwardly stack other scales on the top of it? That would take an eternity. Of course, you'd want to use the right tool, the measuring tape. So first things first, using the right tool is important. If you need to measure the length of a pencil or a book, a small ruler will just do fine. However, to measure how tall a door is, you will need something much longer. For example, a measuring tape. Once you have the right tool, how you use it makes all the difference. So, if you are measuring your shoe size, press the ruler or tape flat and straight on the surface. No bending or tilting whatsoever. And don't forget, your eyes needs to be directly above where you are measuring. If you read from an angle, you might end up with the wrong number. Now, what if your measuring device has a break at the ends? Don't worry, you can still measure correctly. Just start from any full mark, like 8 cm for example, and subtract it at the end. Now, let's say you are measuring a pencil with a length of 14 cm. It means the actual length of the pencil is 14 cm minus 8 cm, which is equals to 6 cm. It's like solving a math puzzle. Whenever you record a measurement, you must always write the unit like centimeter, meters, millimeters or kilometers. For example, the distance between Delhi and Lucknow is measured in kilometers, the thickness of a coin in millimeters, the length of an eraser in centimeters, and the length of a school ground in meters. Always remember to use correct units. Before we wrap up, here's something fun. Can you imagine using a rigid ruler to measure a tree trunk or your chest? Of course not. That's why tailors use flexible tapes. They bend around objects, making measuring super easy. So, the next time you measure anything, be it a pencil, a room or your shoes, keep these simple tips in mind. It's all about precision and using the proper tool for the job. Well, after all, let's be honest. Whether you are buying shoes or building a house, poor measurement can cause enormous problems. So, happy measuring until next time, and may all your shoes fit perfectly.